have been seeing this software, Obsidian, everywhere on my feed. People are calling it a second brain or something. I'm gonna see if it lives up to the name second brain or not. This is not a video where I am teaching you how to use Obsidian. This is a video where you and I go on a journey to explore Obsidian together. We have installed Obsidian and I absolutely don't know what create a vault is supposed to mean. I will just click on quick start, big screen. Okay, so this graph view is the second brain thing I have been hearing about. From the looks of it, I think you have to create a link. I absolutely don't know what I have to do with this. New folder, new note. Okay, let's make a new folder. And in a folder, let's name it as YouTube because I make YouTube videos. You can make one for your college or university or like gym or other hobbies. This is a new folder and there's a new note. What if I do a new note? And I name this video ideas. Opening a bottle with hammer. Keyboard, ink, mouse. I don't know what this means, but I'm just writing stuff. So how can I link this to like something and something? Create new canvas. Drag or double click to pan and zoom. Okay, now this is something amazing. We can also import any images. Nice. So okay, might be one of the best apps for storyboarding or like making a script where you have like things around and like flowchart, because I used to do scripting on Excalibur, but for some reason I stopped because I don't know, for some reason. This and right click, add a link. Oh, maybe I can add a link to this. No, maybe this, add a link. Oh, okay, so I kinda get it. When you make this into a link, it takes you to its own page. Or maybe you can link something else, like another stuff here. And like maybe I can write the video script here, blah, 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 blah. So like this, it has become this video idea and then the script of this idea. Okay, so you see how I created video ideas, which is connected to opening a bottle with a hammer. Like I made chemistry, then it had the organic chemistry, and then it had alcohol. I message myself on WhatsApp about the things I need to remember. At the same time, I make notes in my Apple Notes on my iPhone, but I forget I ever made notes on that and I just forget about that. So you see, there's a thing. I have notes on Apple Notes. I have notes on Google Keeps. I have notes. If you can put in an extra effort and like make connections like these, you won't forget as many things as you already do. So when you make something like this, you will not see these things, which are, I guess, supposed to be vault or folder or whatever. You will not see these things on the graph view, but you will see the folders you make inside of them like these. So I have these Dr. Bing Dong and all. So I did something. So I created a YouTube this and then made video ideas this, which in which there are two links, Helium browser and exploring Obsidian, which are my two videos, one previous one and one which I'm making right now. There's some gibberish script here, but I do have a link to the thumbnails. I can go to thumbnails. That's not the only thing. When I go to Helium browser and I want, like, there's a one folder for every thumbnail. So I want to connect that folder to every single YouTube video idea. So I can do that here. By the way, these are all the alterations I made to the previous thumbnail, and I chose this one. And in the graph view, you can also see that video ideas is connected to Obsidian and Helium browser, which is connected to thumbnail, and thumbnail for some reason is connected to this, which I don't know. Like this thing is literally like chess. You need to connect dots and everything. Like you need to plan things to make a proper note. You literally need to make a skill to use Obsidian. Here, you can basically connect everything to one thing. For example, you have emails. You have a folder named emails. Every email is written down there. And when you click on that email, you get the password and maybe all the places you have logged into with this. So you see, the possibilities are endless, but at the same time, it requires you to be a genius to make the full use of it.